Hi, Tom Hughes here, and check out this amazing before and after video. U-shaped cell, 50% labor reduction, 28% cycle time reduction. But I want you to check out the before situation, look for the wastes, and then see what happens with the after. Let's use this as a learning exercise. Thanks to Steven Pax for letting me share this video with you.
Brought to you by gembadocs.com.
Alright, this is the before condition, and the layout, operators going from there over to the cooling fixture, and then putting a label on a box, that label on another. We end up putting it in that box. A lot of steps in between there, and the average cycle time was up around, this doesn't have all the data, but 145 was average before. Alright, so after many improvements and changing the layout of the cell, creating a U-shaped cell, Jack has got the cycle time down to 98 seconds. There's a little bit of variation, but before it was averaging 140 with much larger spikes, so better consistency of cycle time, which makes better quality product. And it was done by...
I'm going to interrupt the video. In this next segment, look for the wastes that were addressed that drove this incredible improvement. I counted at least 4. What do you find?
Label printer here, and the barcode label there, the scanner there, Stream Deck, and the improvements came from not allowing us to ever pick up an item, set it down, and then pick it back up.
Some superb improvements from Steven and the team. I think you'll agree. Leave your comments below about the wastes you found in this video. Thanks very much. Like, share, subscribe. All good. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching. If you're ready to make standards fast and easy, visit gembadocs.com or download our app on Apple or Google Play stores.